Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a quick uncut tutorial of this creative makeup that I posted on my Instagram. So if you're interested in knowing how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I did my base makeup off camera and I'm starting with this simple basic eye makeup. For this makeup, I wanted my eyes to be neutral since we are going to be using a lot of colors. You can check the video that I've linked on the upper corner to watch the full detailed tutorial of this simple eye makeup. Next, I'm using this color palette and a toothbrush to splash the colors on my face. The first color that I used was white. I used white to create a base so that other colors can pop well on my skin. I was really skeptical about the entire process and if the colors would actually show up on my skin, but thankfully it did. Next, taking a dark green color. I really wanted to try doing something unique for Holi using all the colors, so I got this idea of using the toothbrush and splashing colors all over my eyes, and I loved how it was coming all together. Next, I used this yellow color and I love how it merged with the green color and gave a sort of a lime green shade. Next, I used the color pink, but sadly it didn't show up on the camera. It did look really good in person, but the color wasn't visible on camera, which was really very frustrating. Next, I went ahead and used the color red, and I absolutely loved how the color popped on camera and it brought the entire makeup look together. Then for funsies, what I did was I mixed the pink, which wasn't showing up on camera, with a little red, thinking it would show up. Now again, you can't really see the difference in the camera, but it was visible and looked decent in person. Lastly, I added a little shimmer to the eyes and went ahead and applied some lashes and lipstick to complete the look, and here is the final look. If you like this video, then please don't forget to
like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.